Atlantis The Royal. Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Embrace a new standard of luxury, where the highest level of service sets a new benchmark for excellence. This is the place where something incredible happens at every moment of your stay. This is Atlantis The Royal. The stay at Atlantis The Royal offers unparalleled luxury with its elegant rooms, suites, and signature penthouses. Rising 43 stories, it combines stylish interiors with stunning views of the Arabian Sea and Palm Island, along with private outdoor spaces and pools. This is a stay you'll show off for years to come. Home to 17 world-class restaurants and 8 celebrity chefs, Atlantis The Royal partners with Atlantis The Palm to create a leading culinary destination in Dubai. Experience Michelin-starred dining and exceptional gastronomy like never before. Soak up the sun at the Royal Pool and Nobu by the beach, with complimentary access while you savor handcrafted beverages and signature dishes. For a more exclusive experience, discover Dubai's premier pool club, Cloud 22, offering panoramic views of Palm Island and the Arabian Gulf. Whether you want to dance in the sand, sip drinks by the pool, or catch top DJs and international artists, Atlantis Dubai has the place for you. Renowned for its vibrant nightlife scene, Atlantis Dubai is home to the city's best bars and hottest beach clubs, where day blends into night and the party never ends. This is shopping on another level, with the world's chicest designer brands and exquisite luxury boutiques, all in one destination, Atlantis. The Royal is Dubai's newest retail paradise. From homegrown brands to world-renowned haute couture labels, we'll make sure to have you turning heads from morning till night. White Beach welcomes you to the hottest beachfront destination, featuring 2 Instagram-worthy pools and a chic outdoor restaurant perfect for sunset cocktail sipping. This is the place to be and to be seen. Nobu's debut pool and beach club is a haven of indulgent relaxation. Lounge in your private cabana, sip on a signature cocktail, and let the live music pulsate through you. Explore exquisite culinary masterpieces, bespoke service, and laid-back live entertainment in interiors inspired by Japanese architecture and the oceanfront location. Fashion and poolside luxury ascend as Cloud 22 partners with iconic fashion houses Dolce & Gabbana and Unas for Dubai's most glamorous takeover. Be transported to an Italian dream with visions of blue and white as you indulge in decadent cuisine. Welcome to a place meant for the very few, a place where the stunning views are only matched by an unparalleled lifestyle. Welcome to the best party brunch restaurant in town. With a traditional vibe and warm welcome, En Fuego is where the spirit of South America comes to life in Dubai. Get ready to fiesta with sizzling food and live music and entertainment that will have you grooving to the beats. Let the good times roll at Wave House, Atlantis Dubai's home of fun, food, and family entertainment. Where else can you strike it lucky on the bowling alley, hit a high score in the game arcade, and test your skills on the Surf's Up Wave Rider? Once you've worked up an appetite, tuck into a burger or pizza in the industrial chic restaurant, sip an ice-cold drink at the bar, or head outside to the sun-soaked terrace where live tunes, swinging seats, and a festival vibe make this Dubai's liveliest dining and entertainment hub. Impressive yet intimate, Skyblaze Fountain is the region's first fire meets water spectacle. The heat of the flames and delicate waves of cooling mist rush through the skies with color-changing lights that set fire to the night and electrifies your soul. Located on the crescent of the Palm Island in Dubai next to Atlantis, the Palm, and Aquaventure Water Park, Atlantis The Royal offers access to Aquaventure, the largest water park in the Middle East. The walk at JBR is 11 kilometers from the accommodation. Mall of the Emirates is 18 kilometers from the resort. The nearest airport is Dubai International, 35 kilometers from Atlantis. The Royal and the property offers a paid airport shuttle service. This 5-star resort has a sky pool and a private beach, a 24-hour front desk, room service, and currency exchange for guests. Selected rooms also feature a kitchen with a minibar.